Hello everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss about the purchasing power parity. Basically, purchasing power parity shows the uh, relative prices of the different countries. Okay, in simplest form, we can say that purchasing power parity are simply prices, relatives that shows the ratio of the prices in national currencies of the same good or services in different countries. In simply words, we can say that purchasing power parity shows that how much number of good and services you can buy in any other countries with the same amount that you can buy with your own country. Okay, so purchasing power parity is also called the law of one price. It states that if a single dollar can buy 10 goods like in America, so you can buy these 10 goods with any other countries with the same amount of good. That is called purchasing power parity or the law of one price. But in real world, this law does not prevail in the economy because uh, there are certain reasons. For example, there is traveling cost involved in it, there are custom duties, there are tariff, there are other taxes. When you import any goods from other country, you have to bear the traveling cost, you have to bear the taxes. So in this way, the law of one price does not hold in the real world. So in simplest word, what is purchasing power parity? Purchasing power parity shows that how much number of goods can be bought with the same amount of dollar which you can buy your own country, and these goods and services can be buy with any other country with the same price. That is called purchasing power parity.